Hey, what's up guys? We're here in the warehouse today. We got some exciting news. It seems like that happens all the time, exciting news all the time, but we really do this time. We got in some Wolfram audio amplifiers. As you know, the Arctic Wolfram audio amplifiers are some of the hottest selling amps that we offer. They are a great power source for a great value, so this is why they're so popular, and they look great as well. Right behind me, we have the Arctic Wolf 9K. This amp has done over, I think, 11,000 watts on the dyno, so that lets you know it's no slouch. It'll do half ohm, it'll do low ohm loads, and it puts out massive power. It's also beautiful. Look at the finish on this thing. So we have the white paint on here. It has dual inputs. And it also has a beautiful plexiglass cover, a fan, and some nice Wolfram audio accents on the caps right there. It's less than $2,000. We didn't have them for a while, but again, I paid $5,000 to have this little emergency supply of amplifiers shipped over here from Korea. So we ordered a bunch more than this, but it's going to take a long time. The shipping delays right now are crazy, so I paid a lot of money to have these shipped in. So as you can see, we have the 5Ks right here, and obviously the 9Ks, I have that right there. Coming down here, we have the 125.4s, the 250.4s, the 1500s, and the 3000s. So we have everything, all the Arctic Wolf amps in stock right now. A lot of you guys have been asking about them, so that's what this video is for, to let you know we do have them in stock. Nobody else does. Don't forget, we also have some Wolfram Audio subwoofers too. These things have been taking off in popularity. It's the Wolfram Audio TI series subwoofers. They're 750 watts RMS. Pick it up a little bit. It's no frills. It just gets down at a very good price. So this is the 10-inch model. They come in 10s, 12s, and 15s, and dual 2s and dual 4s. So 750 watts RMS. They'll be a little bit underrated, but if you're looking for a traditional style of bass at a great price, I do believe the 10s start off at $149. So crazy value for the price, but that's what Wolfram is known for. So yeah, we have all these in stock and a ton of other Wolfram audio subwoofers, amplifiers, and speakers. So be sure to check those out on the website, downforsoundshop.com, your #1 source for Wolfram audio and much, much more. See you in the next one. Guys, if you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.